Welcome to Farmstead Chronicles, a place where nature and people unite to create a life full of joy, hard work, and connection. Join us on a journey as we explore a day on the farm where every moment is filled with wonder and purpose. First, meet the majestic horses, symbols of freedom and strength. These horses aren't just incredible workers, they're our companions, bringing energy and grace to the farm every day. Here are our cheeky goats, agile and curious. They love exploring their surroundings and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our farm's ecosystem. Now let's head over to the cows. Strong and steady, these gentle creatures provide us with fresh milk and are integral to our sustainable farming practices. Their peaceful presence is a constant reminder of the importance of patience and care. Life on the farm is all about connection to the land, to the animals, and to each other. Here we care for every animal as part of our family. From feeding the horses to tending the chickens, each task is done with love and attention. It's not just about work, it's about building relationships and nurturing life. Look at our ducks enjoying their time in the pond. These little swimmers bring so much life to the farm. As they paddle around, they not only add charm to the farm, but also help keep our waters clean and healthy. There's nothing more peaceful than watching them glide effortlessly through the water, reminding us of the simple joys that nature offers. Here at Farmstead Chronicles, the journey of our chickens starts with the miracle of hatching. In the warmth of the coop, the hens carefully protect and incubate their eggs, waiting patiently for the new life to emerge. It's truly a magical moment when the first crack appears and tiny chicks make their grand entrance into the world. Here at Farmstead Chronicles, it's not just about our animals. We also take great pride in growing a wide variety of fresh produce. From leafy greens to juicy tomatoes, we cultivate a rich array of fruits and vegetables that thrive in our fertile soil. Every plant is carefully nurtured, ensuring that we harvest the best, most flavorful crops possible. These grapes aren't just grown for their beauty, they're a symbol of patience and care. Each vine is tended to with dedication, ensuring the harvest is plentiful and delicious. Whether enjoyed fresh or used in homemade jams, these grapes are a testament to the hard work and love that goes into every crop at the farm. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting farm adventures. We've got plenty more to share, and we'd love for you to be part of our journey. Until next time, take care and keep enjoying the beauty of farm life.